Welcome to hashtag Divine Wisdom. Today we are frying up some chicken real quick. I'm going to show you how to get you a nice crispy piece of chicken in 5 minutes. Join me and stay tuned. Yes. We got us some spicy chicken right here that we cooking. I'm going to show you how to do this in 5 minutes. You got to use your good oven that is fully equipped. It is called the quick oven. Let's go. Let's flow shares out to somebody you know. Alright, baby, we got 2 minutes until these wings done. Let's get you in there for a view. We're gonna let these cook for an additional minute, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Those are what you call fried wings in less than 5 minutes. This is what you call spicy chicken, baby. Get you some. We gonna plate this up and I'ma serve this to my guests as they watch the football game. Enjoy, have an incredible day, and take some time to what? Fry you some spicy chicken. It's truly been a pleasure. I thank you for choosing hashtag better H, where you better have ate you some spicy chicken. Peace and blessings. You gonna be mighty, and it could continue to be the mighty king and queen that you are. And remember, Monday, Thursday, Sunday at 11:45 Eastern Standard Time. Peace and